Alpa Shah, an author, social entrepreneur, international speaker, finance professional. Alpa has worked with various corporates for 25 years, including Tata and SBI Group, and started her own venture, Empower Education and NGO Freedom Foundation. Her deepest desire is to work towards nation building through financial literacy and awareness among the corporate employees, women, youth, police, lawyers, and lower income group strata people like dabbawalas, auto rickshaw drivers, Ganpati karigars, visually impaired working people, maids, pink taxi drivers, sex workers, third genders, and so on. Being passionate in empowering women, she has done a program at Jain Jagruti Center. More than 500 women were present in the program and learned innovative ways towards financial planning. Alpa took up the commitment of spearheading financial literacy, especially for women, and authored a book, Every Woman Should Invest, published by CNBC TV 18, which is also available on Amazon. Price is what you pay and value is what you get. Equity investment is not a speculation but requires patience. Alpa promotes value investing and wealth creation through equity. Alpa has been invited as a panelist and a moderator in various national and international forums. Alpa has been an international speaker at Riyadh in Saudi Arabia, New Jersey in USA, Dubai, Malaysia, and Singapore. Alpa has received many awards and accolades like Top 100 Women in Finance 2019, Best Innovative Women Entrepreneur Award 2019 by NDIM, Best Social Entrepreneur Award 2018, Best Women Economic Forum Award 2020, Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao Award 2019. Alpa has been regularly featuring on TV and radio. Alpa is passionate to empower women. For that, she grooms them to become financial trainer and advisors. Alpa feels from her heart that it is her duty to give back to the society. Hence, she is involved in various environmental, medical, and educational projects. Alpa received awards from Rotary International for generating CSR funds from corporates for various projects. Just to make financial literacy innovative and simple to understand, Alpa has started her YouTube channel, Money Ki Baat Alpa Ke Saath. Anyone can subscribe to the channel and follow. Alpa guides the existing entrepreneur and future entrepreneur on how to sustain their entrepreneurship. She has launched her second book, The Businesswoman, enlightening on the process of sustainable entrepreneurship. Recently, she has been awarded the Most Influential Volatility Coach 2022 for continuous innovation and consistent business growth by Financial Freedom Fraternity in association with the Economic Times.
Not to buy materialistic things. Money is to lead a very good life.
I'm sure after today's session, they've learned quite a few things and now they're so keen to start their investment.
रेडियो सिटी में मनी ज्ञान अल्पा शाह और आरजे पलक के साथ।
पलक, हम जितने भी लोग हैं पहले खर्चा करने के लिए बहुत उत्सुक रहते हैं। पहले तो बहुत मेहनत करते हैं कि पैसा ज्यादा कमाएं, फिर खर्चा किधर करें उसके लिए बहुत बिजी रहते हैं। जी। थोड़ा सा आप पहले अपने सारे इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, अपने जो भी आशाएं हैं, ड्रीम्स हैं, गोल्स हैं, कैसे उनको अचीव करना है और उसके लिए कितने पैसे लगेंगे, वो समझ के इन्वेस्टमेंट शुरू कर दीजिए और फिर जो पैसा बचता है उनको आप बेशक खर्च कर दीजिए।
अल्फा मॅडम म्हणल्या अगं तू 1000 रुपयापासून पण स्टार्ट करू शकतेस.
Well, compounding is so close to my heart because I feel if you want to create wealth, not just investing money.
Right.
If you want to create wealth, there is nothing else but compounding which you have to understand. How much you are earning, how much you are spending, how much you are investing, or how much you are growing your money. After earning, spending, investing, it's also about achieving your dreams and goals with the help of that money, Make the best use of that money, lead a very good life with the help of that money, making yourself happy and others too, enjoy that money, and finally distribute that money in such a way that it's respected even after you leave this world. Remember, never compare your net worth with others. Never copy others while investing or spending that money. Don't think too much about money, because if you think too much, you feel lack of it and it invites stress in your life. Never be under any peer pressure, show off or feel jealous about anyone else's lifestyle. Sit back, relax and be very clear what exactly you want to achieve in your life with the help of proper goal-based financial planning.